I'm Barbara Ruth Chanco Angeles. I'm a visual artist. After ko mag-resign as an art consultant, I actually asked for God to help me find kung ano yung pwede kong magawa. Naisip ko yung mag-paint. Nag-start nga ako before with pouring. And then after pouring, sabi ko parang very easy to work on the pouring side. So I ended up doing the fine lines, which is, naisip ko rin na doing it in a different way, because when you say fine line, it's usually like geometric. Siyempre, gusto ko muna magpa-thank you for the support and for the trust na binigyan ako ng opportunity. Just continue creating. If you accept the comments, the criticism, kasi dun yung challenge eh.